and those all things, right? FBA shipment. On the last session, I had a discussion on FBA shipment, right?
Mm-hmm.
Today, as I had said, like today we'll discuss about promotions.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's something we'll talk about today, and maybe I can touch upon on the advertisement section. Uh,
Okay.
I don't think I'll start campaign manager. Probably coupon is something I can just include along with the promotions because those are the two things which are similar kind of thing,
Mm-hmm.
right? So let me start the promotion thing. Uh, just keep in mind that this promotion you may see on your US Seller Central account here under advertising itself. You
Okay.
but as we're in India, it shows in here in under inventory tab.
Okay.
Okay.
It's not supposed to be the inventory.
Yeah, I mean India it is there in the inventory, but it is ideally should be under advertising, but
Mm.
it is under inventory. That's okay. Like I mean, that's not a problem. But when you click on promotions, the page what opens up that is exactly identical what you will see on US market.
Okay.
So there is no difference on that. Okay. So when you click on this, I mean, there will be this page opened up, and you see
Mm-hmm.
free shipping, money off, buy one
Okay.
get one free, right? Buy one
Mm.
get one. So it's not free or whatever, but buy one get one.
Okay.
So what is this? These all three types of, and how can we utilize for doing certain kind of promotional activities for our product, right? So
Mm.
free shipping is one which you can run like if you are doing a BM shipment and
Mm.
you are charging your product for shipping on any sale, you are charging the shipping cost to the customer, right? In that case,
Mm.
you can say that shipping is free. That is a promotion you can run for a particular period and say that shipping is free. Okay.
Okay.
So I can, when I click on this, create this promotion
Mm.
under this free shipping, you will have to uh, say this like what on what condition they'll get this promotion applicable, right? If when their purchase amount is at least a certain value, or
Mm.
the quantity number of product or unit what they're buying should be a certain number of units, right? These are the
Mm.
two conditions what you can, I mean, what you can select, and that will be applicable while customer buys your product, right?
Okay.
So if I say at least this quantity of items, that means if I say one, that means like when customer buys one quantity or one or more, then the promotion will be applicable. That's a condition. But if I say two, then customer has to buy minimum of two or more to get the
Okay.
promotion applicable, right? So if I say that like okay, if I mean probably I can say 2 units and at least of this quantity, at least of two quantity if the customer buys, then the customer will get free shipping,
Okay.
right? And you can hear the purchase items like there can be basically you will have to create new product selection. Before you run the promotions, you have to first create the product selection. Then you run the promotion on top of that selection. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So here, like if I click on this create promo, okay. So you'll have to either select by SKU,
Mm.
ASIN number, browse node ID list, and all those things are there. So most probably you will choose either of these two.
Mm.
Okay, SKU or ASIN list, or maybe advanced. Like if you want to, there could be advanced options. That's something you'll usually not use, but you can definitely here you can the same option should be there. You can keep on adding numbers. I mean the SKUs or ASIN numbers. You can mix and match. But let me go back to this page. Okay, if I say SKU list, then I can just click on create list. Then I can give it some name like tracking name for my internal reference, that what is this selection product group, right? It might
Hmm.
be certain number of SKU what I have included on this product selection. Okay.
Hmm.
So if for my purpose, I should give a name which I can identify later point, that okay, this is basically the product which are included on this selection group, right? So if
Hmm.
in this example, if I say set of grow bags, 5 grow bags, that means this is this is the example. It's already existing one. What I'm just trying to explain, like how the naming I have given. Probably you can give something in a way that you can identify that when you are like later point coming back and seeing, okay, what might be included on this, right? You can always go back to the manage from product selection and see what all included, but from outside, if you want to just quickly understand, then it is good idea to give the name something you can, I mean, by seeing itself you can know that okay, these are the product might be included inside, right?
But these products are those that we have already created in inventory.
Yes, these are those are already created on the inventory. Those SKUs are already available. That's how you can do the selection. Otherwise, like, it will not be, I mean, accepting. It has to
Okay.
be on your inventory. It is not
Okay.
something it, I mean, on Amazon's catalog. It is your
Mhm.
inventory on which you want to promotion, or you want to run the promotion, right? Because you
Okay.
can't run promotion on other sellers product. It has to be your
Okay.
product, and it has to be again inventory available for sale, right?
Okay. So
Should be
the list will automatically appear whatever inventory we have.
No, list will not automatically appear here. You have to basically go back and make the list. I mean, whichever the one you want to run promotion on, then you have to take a note of that. So let's say if I go back here and just see on which all I can run the promotion. If I have the plan to run promotion on this SKU, right? This is the ABM SKU, like, which is fulfilled by merchant. And if I want to run promotion on this, I can do it this way. Right? I can go by
Hmm.
SKU wise, and I can also go by ASIN
Yes.
wise,
Hmm. Hmm.
right? This is the ASIN number. If I
Hmm.
choose ASIN number, then if I have two offers, one is a BM and one is a BA offer for one ASIN, then I can just select ASIN so that my both the ABM and ABA SKUs are covered. If I choose yes,
Okay.
ASIN
By
number.
SN.
Yeah.
SN numbers are same for FBM and for FBA.
No, no, it is not always, but I have created in that way.
Okay.
Okay. It is not always that your ASIN number will be ABM and ABA will be same, but you can, I mean, ideally it should be, if you are selling both uh, combined, like ABM and ABA together, ideally it is better that you can have two offers from one ASIN itself.
Okay.
What I mean, if you are doing that, the benefit is that, like, if by any point if you are out of stock in ABM, the ABM ABA order will automatically come up, and if you are out of stock in ABA, if and ABM orders, that list will go on active, and it will, the orders will come on ABM
Mhm.
listing. So that's how, like, it is, that's why it is good idea to create two offers out of one ASIN, and
Mhm.
those two offers should be, one would be FBA and other one is FBM. But anyhow, so that's a different thing. But here, like, you can, I mean, either choose ASIN or SKU wise, you can also choose the SKU number. So let's say if I choose this number, this SKU, then I go back and say that I'll create. Actually, in this case, I have to create. So I'm just saying that here already one selection is already done. But if I have to create a new one, then I have to just create, I mean, I have to just click on that. and create new promotion and put my SKU list here. Okay,
Hmm.
I can put many number of SKU list here on each line, right?
Hmm.
Then I can give some name like maybe set of 3 grow bags, and internal description also. I'll just give the same. I'll keep on adding whatever relevant SKUs I want to bring those onto this product selection group. Then I can add on. So I'll just say submit. Once I say submit, then this selection group will be created as like here. If you see here, like one is already created, set up grow bags,
Hmm.
5 grow bags. Now under that there are some SKUs already included. So I can just say manage product selections, and you see the all the selection groups under here.
Hmm.
Then if I click on, then I can see what all. This is basically SKU, sorry, ASIN wise it has been done. Okay. Now this free shipping is the promotion type what we are creating. That's all it will be created. And now here the start date, you can put a start date and end date. Usually for the promotion to get approved, it takes like Amazon will take around like maximum 4 hours. So
Okay.
within that 4 hours, they'll approve your promotion. And your start date, what your time, what you are putting, it should be at least 4 hours later. Your means later the time when you are creating the promotion. Okay,
Okay.
and end date, it's up to you how long you want to run the promotion. And this internal description is something you will describe your promotion name. That's can be like as I said here, money off, right? It is money off or free shipping. It is not exactly money off, it is free shipping. So promotion, right? So I'll just say this set of 5 Go Backs free shipping promotion, right?
Hmm.
And this also I can means I can keep however it is. Um, Amazon suggests the name, so you can keep it the same, or I can change it to this name.
Okay.
And now here, uh, I mean, more important thing comes, which is like claim codes. So you need to understand like what are these type of codes. Okay, one is single use, and what is other one is a group code.
Hmm.
Single use are the type of codes. Those will be used. I mean, just once, and that will be one code for one customer, in the sense like once that code is used, it will be expired, so that code cannot be used anymore. Okay,
Hmm.
that is how the name is single use.
Hmm.
You got it right. And
Yes.
the group code is a code which will be unique code, and that code will not expire. Actually, it will can be used multiple number of times, and
Okay.
that can be shared to many customers. Okay,
Okay.
so both has real time use scenarios. Like in single use, if you want to run some promotions and you want your customer to use these promotions just once, each of the customers should have their unique code, and they should only use one time to get that promotion, right?
Hmm.
So that is where you can, I mean, that's how this code can be used. Okay,
Hmm.
and the other one is the group. If let's say if you want to run, I mean, free shipping, and you want to have one code, and which code that same code can be shared among many people,
Hmm.
right? So in that case, like let's take example of like if you want to run a Facebook marketing advertisement, right?
Hmm.
So in that case, if you want your group to be like, you do not want to share individually unique code to each individual customer. Instead, you
Hmm.
just want a unique code, which is a single, I mean, which is a code that can be shared to all of them.
Hmm.
Right? So that becomes easier to share, right? If you
Mm.
have to give a unique single use code, then there has to be some mechanism by which you can know that okay, this code is used, then you give the next code to other customer.
Okay.
So that will be little difficult process to do it, but there are ways like how you can make use of this single use code. Hmm.
Mm. By
So
asking for their email ID and then we can mail them the code. It can be done like that.
so something like that can be. So
Mm-hmm.
if it is like if they, let's say, there are tools which are available online, like where you can use single use code, and how that tool does basic. There is a site called AMG Promoter, amgpromoter.com. Okay, this is a site where we can create a landing page. Okay, so do you understand landing page?
No.
No, landing page is the page where your customer will land on. Okay,
Okay.
so that's basically landing page. It is a page over internet, and where your customer will land up, and means they'll do whatever like your page, however it is designed, or however it is, I mean, structured. So they'll
Okay.
take some actions, right? And here on, by using this tool, this tool is basically it's meant for Amazon sellers, and by using this tool we can create landing page, and that landing page, when the customer submits their email ID or submits their I mean try to use the or submit the email ID, they'll get a code, unique code. Each time each customer will get one on a unique code. So this is this tool will help us to use this single use claim code.
Okay.
Okay,
So
there
more
are
often,
other. Hmm?
which one is used more often? Group one or single use?
Group one is more used more often,
Okay.
because that is easiest way to share. But if you have some specific kind of like strategy you are coming up, then
Mhm.
yes, that time you can use single code.
Okay.
Usually single code are used during the launch activities, and that is a reason for that. Like you do not want your customers to use it multiple time and claim again and again your discount coupons, right? So let's
Mm.
say if you are running 90% of discount promotion you are running, and you are distributing a group code, then what will happen? The same customer can buy multiple times
Okay.
by putting that same code. That's why at that point, like usually during the launch activity, you will use a single use code.
But I've seen like some kind of like activity, like for example, in this Zomato.
Mm,
So what they provide, they provide this code, redemption
mm,
code,
mm,
and but it is how they use it. Like it is used one. The code is same for everyone,
mm,
but it is like it is designed in that way. Like if I log in from my email account or from my mobile number, and it
mm.
is uniquely done attached to that email number. But if I use it with another email ID, then it can be used again.
It can be used again, right?
Yeah, the same code. But
That's
the
right.
but the difference is that I have to log in with the another ID or another mobile number. The condition is
So
that.
okay, but it is the same thing, right? That means it is a group code, right?
Yeah,
It
it
is
is
a
a group
code.
code.
It is a code which is, I mean, which is applicable to all the customers, and any customer who sees that they can use it. I mean, if
Yes,
there is
but
no
it
limitation that
no, the
one customer
limitation
can
is there.
use. What is the
Limitation
limitation?
is there. Limitation is that, for example, I've logged in my Amazon or I've logged in by email to Zomato. Then
Mm,
that email is linked with that code only once. That email ID can only use it for
Okay,
once.
only once. Okay, okay. So that means they have a mechanism by which like they are basically tagging the email ID or the mobile number to the group code.
Yes,
Okay. Once it is tagged, then they have the limitation that this tagged code along with the number can be used, means can use only once.
yes.
That is how they have designed the system. But here
Mm-hmm.
it is just the code, and that code can be claimed by a customer multiple times if it is a group code.
Okay.
Okay, that is the difference. Like that's why you have they have a single use code feature.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and that code is dynamically will be generated. Dynamically in the sense like you when you try to generate, it will be random code which will be generated, and those random codes will mostly it will be in 16 characters something, and 16 characters based code that will be you will have to share to each of the customers or each of
Mm-hmm.
the like customer who when they are trying to get that code,
Mm-hmm.
correct?
By the help of this AMG promoter.
AMG promoter is the one tool, but there are like Facebook has its own way of like distributing the code in
Okay.
Facebook if you are doing the marketing, and there would be other ways like email, but AMG promoter is the tool which will definitely help. There are like tools like combination of ManyChat, Zapier. There are some advanced tools are there. By using that also you can do it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Now coming here, like one redemption per customer it says. That's what you have to check on. You have to click on. And this also one redemption per customer it says. But usually, I mean, there is certain kind of like thing what customer can do. Like still they can take your inventory, all your inventories.
How?
If how is
It's
there is
saying
something
one redemption per customer.
yeah, it
Okay.
says one redemption per customer. So that means
Okay, so this is the same thing that I was telling you that the group code would be same, but
huh,
it is because they have to log in by their email ID to Amazon. So it would be like
obviously they have
uh,
to if you have they have to claim if any user has to claim they have to log in to claim the code.
yeah,
They cannot
and
claim without logging in. So they have to
so
log
this
in obviously.
this means that it is for many people, but only one customer, like one email ID, can be assigned for this code.
Yeah, one time it can be like one redemption. So once one redemption per customer.
Hmm.
So but what can happen like this code can be shared among their friends and all those things.
Yeah, yeah, but
So they can
it will be attached to their email ID
huh. But
as
that's
per.
what they can do. Actually, they can share this code to their friends and friends and friends. If they want to
Hmm.
buy, then they'll
Hmm.
buy all of. He'll say that okay, can you buy for me with your
Hmm.
ID? So then that friend can buy on his behalf, and then probably he'll buy some numbers, right? So that is
Okay.
how it can be done. But it is one
Hmm.
redemption. Like if when I'm clicking, when I'm checking this box, then yes, it will be just one redemption.
Hmm.
Okay. And yeah, group code single. Okay. And here there will be a message which you will see when I click on customizing message. And this checkbox, if it is checked here, then
Hmm.
the promotion will be visible. I can show you some active thing probably. Yeah, here. Save 200 rupees when you buy this and this and this, right? Together.
Hmm.
So this
Okay.
kind of thing will be displayed uh, if I am checking this box here, this box.
Okay.
Okay, so if
Display text.
display text, and this is the message what will be displayed. This is the default message how it is, but you can customize your own message and put something here as like this what has been done. So you
Okay.
can do something like that. Either you can put your customized message or you can choose the default message what already created. So if you
Okay.
say, if you click on this, if you leave this radio button clicked, so it will be displayed here, sorry, on the product page. Here something
Okay.
whatever is this, I mean, written here. What
Okay.
is written? Get free delivery on this item when you purchase two or more qualifying items offered by Home Crop. So this is the
Okay.
this and the code also is displayed here. Okay.
Okay.
And this message also, this is actually terms and condition message. This message you can customize, and whatever you want to show accordingly you can customize. But there will be a default message that you can leave it if you want. If you do not want to do anything, you can just leave it. Is most, I mean, it is ideally it is done in such a way that like it, I mean, it will be applicable to your promotion what you are trying to create.
Okay.
Okay. So once that is done, once your all things are done here, then you'll just submit the review. Okay.
Mm.
So this is a free shipping promotion, and you have money off. It's a similar thing, like the procedure is similar thing, but only difference is that you are giving some money off. It might be amount or it might be a percentage off. That's the difference. Uh, Apart from that, you have all these things are same. There is no difference on this. Okay.
Mm.
And the next one is buy one get one. So you select your item. Okay, you can
Mm.
say buy this many quantity, at least one quantity of this. Then you customer gets the one more free items.
Okay.
Okay,
What can that item be? The same item it would be, or we can add any other item
it
along with
was
it.
it will be same item. There is no options for you to select as a free item as something else. It will be the same item.
Okay.
There is no option actually. Ideally, it should have been a different, means as you said, right? Ideally it should have been a other, any kind of product which I can
Mm.
add on, right? But that is not there. It is just the same item which will be as a free item. Okay.
Mm.
Yeah. So that's all. I think. I mean, apart from that, rest all are the same. So there is no difference like use single code or single use code or group code. Hmm.
Mm.
And what else? Here is one more option is there, which is exclude items. Like if you want to exclude some items from your product promotions, then you have the, I mean, you can exclude. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's how you can basically create the promotion. We'll talk sometime later. I mean, we'll talk on our marketing activities, that how you can use this promotion activities later while doing advertisement, any kind of advertisement, right?
Mm-hmm.
How best you can use these all type of promotion, and where all you can use those promotions.
Okay.
Okay. So that's all about this promotion, and let me quickly go over to the coupon. Okay. Coupon, as nothing has been created here, so I'll just go to some account where the coupon was already created. Okay. So when I mean, when you are on this page, you'll see page like this. If you are like, if you have not created any coupon from the beginning, then you will see the page how it was looked when I opened from that account. I think it'll be looking something like this. That
Okay.
means that means there were no. coupons created earlier, right? So I can
Mm.
just click on here, create coupon, then it will take me on this process. So what is this all things like? It says search and add a product. So I can either search for for the one which I want to run. I mean, I want to create a coupon.
Mm.
So I can, let's say something. I can put a or the SIN number. SIN, search by SIN or SKU. So I should know what SKU or SIN. Mm,
I think you copied it already.
or by keyword also I can search it. Oh, there, I got it right. So I can search by keyword if I know. Then I can add coupons for those.
Mm.
The one which I want to run coupon, right?
Mm.
Let's say if I want to add coupon for this one, it will be added here. Now I can continue to the next step, which will be here budget and discount. So I can either give some money off or percentage off. So these two things can be done, but ideally, like if it is money off, it works better because customer can easily know that okay, this much of, I mean, they can easily subtract from the sales price and the off rupees. Let's say if the sales price is 500 and I am giving 50 rupees off, they can straight away come to know that okay, my buying price should be 450, right?
Mm.
But whereas if I give money, I mean, sorry, percentage off, at that point it means the customer will take some time to do the calculation and come to a conclusion that okay, this much is going to be my buying price. So which is not, I mean, there is definitely a little bit of inconvenience from the customer's perspective. So that's why
Okay.
money off usually works better. But you can definitely, I mean, try either of the options and see which one is doing best for your product, right? That you can
Mm.
test it out. But money off has proven to be working better.
Mm.
Okay, so you
Yep.
can, but you can try. As I said, you can test both of them. So let's say if I'm saying money off, then I'm saying 50 rupees off. Then I'll say limit. I can say limit redemption to one per customer.
Mm.
That way I can limit, or I can just say no. Allow any. I mean, allow my coupon to be redeemed multiple times by the same customer. So usually, I mean, it default is this, and leaving this is better because you want to get more and more sales, right? You know that you have done the calculation even after giving the coupon of some discount, you're still would be on profit. Means you'll have still some profit margin, right?
Mm.
So it's better that you give like, I mean, check this option that way like your same customer can also buy multiple numbers. That way, the sales volume will increase.
Okay.
Yeah? And how much is the budget you want to? Minimum of 1,000 has to be budget. Like in Indian market, 1,000. In US, it will be $100. Okay.
Mm.
So that budget minimum of $100 or 1,000 rupees has to be put on here. So you can go beyond 1,000 rupees, 1,500 or 2,000 or whatever the number. It has to be more than 1,000 rupees or more than $100.
The discount budget.
Yeah. So what will happen? Like how it happens? This budget is basically, I mean, as you are giving 50 rupees off, when this 50 rupees becomes like gets added up and becomes 1,000. Okay.
Mm.
Then your promotion will stop.
Okay.
Okay.
Then later on we have to restart it again if you
Later
want.
on, you have to again restart the same coupon if you want to continue.
Okay.
So let me put this as 1000 and continue. Then you have to say a small message, as like you can see there is a guideline here, but yeah, you can see some example how it has to be. Something you have to say. I mean, you have to say on set of 5 grow backs. I'm just saying this like this. Okay. Now it says all customers or only Amazon Prime members. You can choose only the Prime members. This should be applicable or to the all Amazon customers. It's up to us whatever we choose. Ideally, it is all the customer I'll choose because I mean my when I'm running this coupon, I have the intention to get this coupon used more and more, right? So that my sales volume should increase. And if the sales volume increases, that helps me to get my rank going better, right? That's
Mhm.
why I'm trying to run this kind of promotional activities, and coupon is the one of them. Okay, so you'll put a start date of your schedule, uh, target start and end date. So
Mm.
whichever is early, if your budget is consumed early, it will stop. If your schedule is early, your budget is still there. You have, set 1,000 rupees, but still that 1,000 rupees is not completely used. But your schedule has come to the end. Then your campaign will stop.
Okay.
Okay.
It's still 1 to 90 days maximum.
Huh.
Between 1 to 90 days. Because
Between 1 to 90 days, yes. So you can choose whatever, like, if I have to choose next month, 24th, for a 1 month, if I have to run, so then I can just select that and continue. Now this is the final stage. I can just say submit coupon. That's all.
okay.
And where you will see this coupon, like where the customer will see this coupon is basically is not, there is no code generated here, right? You see
Mm.
how it looks like. It looks like something like this, and there will be clip coupon.
Okay.
This you see that there is a button which is grayed out,
Mm-hmm.
that this kind of thing will be shown to the customer, and they can just click on this clip coupon. I can show you how it will look like. When I go to amazon.com or amazon.in, any marketplace, everywhere they have the coupon. There will be a section actually for the coupon, not this. uh, coupon I don't know that finding that coupon is,
There is a section for this.
yeah, coupon is there, coupon section will be there. um, okay, we can google it, so it will be directly taking to Amazon coupon page. It says here collect coupon. Okay, so
Mm.
this is how it is here in this place. But if I think in India it says clip coupon, I believe. Here, this also says same thing, collect coupon, but there would be a coupon section actually where. But if I say collect coupon, so it's a coupon collected. Same thing, like it will be clip coupon. It's showing there, but now I think they have changed this at on the front page. Earlier it was clip coupon it was, but now it says collect coupon. Okay. So when I set collect coupon, this coupon is, it says collected, coupon is collected, right?
Hmm.
And if I go to this product page and add buy now, during the checkout that coupon will be applicable, and I'll get that whatever the coupon, I mean 10% or whatever the rupees or whatever it was. I don't know how much.
Hmm.
I did not notice that. Yeah, it was 10% of coupon, right? So I'll get that 10% off during the checkout.
Oh.
Okay,
So it
that's
doesn't
how.
show. It doesn't show if I search this item on their site. It doesn't show the coupon over there.
Swear.
Like this is a Chetan Bhagat's novel. Okay, if I
Mm,
search for this book
mm,
online on like
mm,
on Amazon,
mm.
it won't show me the coupon over there. But I have to Google it for this coupon. Only then it will show me.
Chetan Bhagas, let's go. I think this book has, they have, no, it will be showing the coupon on the product page. It will be showing the coupon. Okay, if you are on the product page, what is the product? Let me go to the product page. Any product page. If I go here, let's say this one. I'm going here. There should be a green button. Where is that? Not showing.
There is a coupon written on the top. Coupon 5% coupon
Where is
applied.
that? Where is that?
Just
Ah,
just
here,
below the
here.
amount. Hmm.
It's already applied actually. 5% coupon is already applied because I think.
Okay. By just
But
opening that page.
no, it is not by just opening. I think there will be a button here.
Hmm.
I've not clicked on anything, right? Why it says applied? You have to collect, then it will be applied,
It's automatically applied.
automatically applied. But I
Or
think there is,
maybe
no, it is not always automatically applied because I know very well that it is not always. It's because I'm going from the coupon page. If I just say dog shampoo, let's say, I don't know if there will be any coupon. I don't know if that is any. I mean, if this seller is running any coupon, I'm not sure. So, no, there is no coupon they are running on this product at this point. From the search also, you can see that. I think there is a.
none of them have applied this.
I know they do not have coupon, but here, I mean, when you are seeing this option, this page, coupon page, there are all were showing coupon. But anyhow, it says applied. Like when I click on this, any of them, coupon is already applied.
Or maybe you can just directly, that book. Uh, you
Search
can
for
just
that little book. Yeah.
directly. Maybe it can show over there then.
What are that? Chetan Bhagat's. Huh?
Hmm.
Bhagat's. Something was, what book was that? I don't. This one, right?
Hmm. It's already applied. It's showing. I think you have already clicked on it. That's why it's showing applied.
I had clicked on this. I had clicked on this. Yes.
Look for another book.
There might not be coupon, right, on this. There is no coupon on this.
No, when you went to that coupon page, there were many other books.
Okay, I have to go to the coupon page.
I think.
Yeah, these books.
Yes. So you can
Kalki,
just search for Kalki.
Kalki, Kalki. So this is also on lightning deals.
Hmm.
Here you see
It
it is
has.
not applied yet.
Hmm.
Okay,
You have to check
so you
box.
have to just check that, click on this, then it will be applied. If I click on, it is applied now. Okay,
Okay.
that's how it will be. Yeah,
So there's
so
a
that's it.
checkbox which will be appeared.
Yes, that checkbox will appear to the customers, and they'll check it, and they'll while at their checkout, it will be that coupon will be automatically applied, and that discount whatever is supposed to be, that will be discounted.
Hmm.
Okay, and yeah, so that's all about this coupon. So we can, I mean, on future sessions somewhere I'll have this like how you can use, where you can use coupon promotions and all that we'll talk. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So let's. I mean, today I think we can close it here as far as this our session is concerned.
Okay.
And what is it on Friday, right? On Friday I'll talk about this campaign manager and
Hmm.
lightning deals. Little bit about lightning deals.
Okay.
Okay.
And in this free shipping,
Mm-hmm.
that you were saying that there is also coupon we have to get it applied for. That was for free shipping, right? No, for promotion.
Free shipping is coupon is different and promotion is different. Okay,
Okay.
two way of like running the promotion. Coupon is something which is visible to customers. I
Hmm.
mean, there is a page coupon section on Amazon itself. They have a coupon section where there are many products are listed under that coupon section,
Hmm.
and any customer can go to the coupon section, find the product the one which they want, right?
Hmm.
And they can choose the one whichever they have the requirement, and they just use the coupon and buy it.
Hmm.
Okay, that, but this one is specifically meant like for us to run some promotional activities anywhere. It
On
can be
Facebook and
on like by on means showing the coupon code on Amazon page itself, or we can hide it also. There is that checkbox was there, no display, or if you just remove that checkbox, it will not be displayed. That there will not be any message displayed. That means like the
all.
no
Okay.
customer will know that there is any promotional activities running on this product
Hmm.
as long as you share the coupon code outside somewhere.
Okay.
Okay, but this coupon is shown to the customer.
Hmm.
Okay, by
The
default. I
checkbox.
mean,
Yes.
checkbox is always shown. Like when if there is a coupon running on the product, the checkbox is, I mean, that box is shown. So it is up
Hmm.
to the customer. If they want, they can just click on that checkbox and I mean claim that coupon.
Okay.
Yeah.
So like this one is just like secretly we can distribute our coupon codes in the like on
Yes,
Facebook and
yes,
all,
yes,
and
yes,
and
yes.
that one is like it is visible to all Amazon customers.
Correct, correct, correct. Exactly, exactly. Okay.
So we would be using both of them for
Yeah,
our
you can use both of them.
product.
Like it's no, I mean, you can ideally you will not use both of them together.
Hmm.
But if means if you want, you can still use. But what is the point? Like you will not obviously use both of them together,
Hmm.
because if you are bringing customer from outside, Facebook or Google or anywhere by distributing your coupon. When they come, I mean, when they come to the page, they see another coupon. I mean, you have set the coupon on the page itself, on the
Hmm.
product again. So they can take both of them. There is some guide policies, in fact, like I'm not policies, how the that will work. That there is a complete, I mean, definition from Amazon's side that how this will be applicable, which one is going to be applicable at what point if you are running both of them. Those things are there.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So let's close here.
Mhm.
I hope you do not have anything more, right? Or you have any question?
No.
Okay. Okay. So let's close here and I'll just stop this.